I have a short request, as some of my subscribers know that I have quite a lot of the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt cordless system. I've got a radio here, for instance. Oh, I've got at least a dozen tools, but I also use it on other tools such as this cordless hot melt glue gun, which is amazingly useful. At any rate, the point of this video is that it's not the first time this has happened, but a battery has suddenly died. Now, I've actually run out of warranty on this one, but you can see by the condition that, well, for a start, I don't think I bought it in 2015, which is on the label somewhere there. I think it's within 2 years old. And rather than throw it away, I wonder whether anybody's got any ideas on how I can get it repaired. I can't believe that it's working one moment and then suddenly it won't charge. The charger, obviously, I've checked because it charges all my other batteries. So please leave a comment if you can help over this issue. Thanks for watching.